My first journey to Thailand was booked through Intro Travel, and Benjamin was our tour leader. He was an absolute legend, and especially his dance moves. But anyways, we got onto an overnight train from Bangkok to Khao Sok and were greeted by these amazing fish who were looking for a snack. So we jumped onto a boat and headed through to our floating bungalows. After about a 45-minute boat journey, we had finally arrived at the floating bungalows. We took our time to check in and get acquainted with our surroundings. The true beauty of Khao Sok National Park was only really realized once I took up my drone. These amazing shots are a testament to that. The sunsets at Khao Sok are truly amazing. And as a group we spent our time swimming, playing drinking games, and just generally taking in the amazing sights. Khao Sok National Park is a definite must-see for anyone who will be visiting Thailand.